Good morning, everybody. My wife and I are going down to San Diego Embarcadero. We're going to take a walk along the harbor and check things out. Should be a good day to do it. It's sunny, mid-70s, so we'll see you down there. Parking can be a nightmare here, so just word of advice, the place to park is right by Solar Turbine. There's usually free parking there. Other places are all paid parking, so just be aware of that when you come down here. So here we are by Solar Turbine. So I dropped my wife off at a restaurant so she could use the bathroom. I'll go meet up with her now. Looks like this place had a major fire recently. Wonder what happened there. Interesting. Wasn't like that last time I was here. Here we are coming up to the port of San Diego. A lot of sailboats out there. Absolutely beautiful. Airport's to the right, over there. Over there is a maritime museum. Star of India. We'll head over there and check that out. This is my wife with a pelican behind her. Say hi, pelican. Hi, Pelly. Is the Star of India. We'll go by there and check that out soon. So we're going to move down farther, closer to the Star of India.
Like that. Like that.
This is the Maritime Museum of San Diego. They got all kinds of ships. Submarines. They got several, I think 9 different kinds of ships. They got an old pirate ship over here. I think that's a replica. But one that's cool is the Star of India, which is over here. Star of India was built in 1863. And I think it circumvented the world 21 times, something like that. And it's been here in San Diego for a long time. I'm not sure exactly how long, but it's been here for a while. So this is the Star of India. So this is a legitimate ship from the 1800s. And then this one here, I believe, is a replica of a ship from 1800s that was built just recently. But I could be wrong. And then behind it is another submarine. Looks like it's seen better days. It's all rusty. And then coming up here beyond the Star of India is a new restaurant area that was just put in this last year. It used to be Anthony's Fish Grotto, but now it's a bunch of different places. So we're going to eat in there. We're going to eat at the Mexican restaurant. And for the life of me, I can't think of the name. I don't remember what the name is. So the name of the restaurant we're going to eat at is Miguel's, which is right there. Miguel's. And the name of the new restaurant area is the Portside Pier. It's been here, opened up just before the pandemic hit, and then it had to close because of the pandemic. And then you got Brigandine down there. And then of course over here we've got Portside Coffee and Gelato, and then there's another small restaurant inside there. So yeah, they're doing a lot of revamping of the Embarcadero. It's looking a lot nicer than it was. And this hotel over here where Claim Jumpers is has been there forever, and you can tell by the looks of it.
Hello, it's me, Inday, and I'm gonna be walking right here in Seaport Village. What a beautiful day. Yeah, it's nice to walk around in the nice weather, and Brett is over there. Waiting for me. Yeah, look at that. This is San Diego. Beautiful San Diego. Okay, I'm gonna go back.
Starting to get closer to Seaport Village. So this whole area right here is redone just recently. And there's a criminal that just got arrested. So let me turn the camera on, you can see. This whole area here has been redone. The cement and stuff used to be totally different. So this is Broadway Pier. And over here are all the kiosks for tourists to find things to do around San Diego. And over here is a flagship, which is a ship that takes you out in the harbor, takes you over to Coronado Island. It's a nice little eating area. So they're working hard to make this Embarcadero a little better than it used to be, and it's looking a lot better than it was. Here's part of the improvement in Embarcadero, turned down an old building. That's pretty cool. I wonder what they're going to replace that with. It's pretty cool.
I know. My perspective.
Hi, it's me again, walking around this beautiful place.
My wife's the vlogger.
beautiful day. Yeah, with a full stomach. Walking with a full stomach is really good. A lot of people today. It's Saturday. People are going round and about. Most of these people don't have any more face masks because it is okay now. Yeah.
Diego changed the rules. You don't have to wear a mask outside.
Yeah.
This month.
But once in a while we will put our mask on because I don't know, I feel like we don't want to take a chance.
Restrooms here. Thank you.
This is it, babe. They don't have it. They don't have a big selection at all. It's over there. They got halibut, sea bass, tuna. Here's redfish or rockfish, not rockfish. No.
A rock?
Here's where all the fishing vessels dock. Looks like a lot of them are out right now. Sometimes you see seals up on the docks here, but right now it doesn't look like there are. And unfortunately, I wasn't able to find her red snapper. The guy told us that rockfish is the same thing, which they had, but it didn't look that good, so we didn't buy any. Right in front of us, all these street food stalls are fairly new. They didn't used to be here until they redid this whole area. And up until about 2 months ago, we used to walk this area and nobody was here. So things are starting to get back to normal. And you can see a lot of people aren't wearing their masks, which hopefully things will stay normal. Only time will tell. And like I was saying, here's the entrance to Seaport Village. Street vendors, straight from Mexico. Here we coming into the main square of Seaport Village. It's where everybody hangs out and eats. And they usually have live music, which today they do not. Actually, they do over here.
People won't believe
And right here behind Indi is the Ferris wheel that's been here ever since I can remember. And sometimes they have bands set up inside this area here, but not today. Yes, Indi's ready to go back now, so we're gonna head back to the car.